Hi, I'm Sam Thurgan and welcome to my 2-minute parasha. This week's Sidra of Vayikra, beginning the new book, we have the little aleph right at the beginning of Vayikra. And we noticed a couple of weeks ago, we learned that when Moshe came down from Mount Sinai, his face shone and the people actually couldn't behold his countenance. And so he had to wear a mask, which is why we all emulate Moshe through not wanting to shock people with the radiance of our faces. Except when he was teaching Torah, then they were able to look at him. But the Midrash asks, where did Moshe's face shine? It was because of the extra ink that he had at the end of writing the Torah. Some ink remained in his pen, and he used that ink, he rubbed that over his face, and it gave this glow to his face. The question, of course, is, what do you mean the extra ink? Didn't Hashem budget the exact right amount of ink? One of the answers is that because he chose to write the small aleph as a sign of his own humility when Hashem called him, Vayikra, Hashem called him. So it's that extra ink that was left over and gave shine to his face. But another commentary I saw is that through holding back, through withholding some of the ink in his pen, that was how he merited to the shining face. And that this is a skill, in fact, that every teacher needs to learn. It's something I've really seen within myself, that I've gone through 3 stages. Firstly, you've got to teach something. Oh my goodness, I don't even know what to teach. Secondly, now I found something. I can give the class and I'm comfortable. But then thirdly, there's so much that I want to say about this topic and so many different ways we can approach it. We don't have time for all of it. I'm only going to be able to do part of it. And the mark of a true teacher is the one who's able to let go of saying, I'm going to teach everything. I'm going to do everything. I'm going to teach what you need to hear right now. What's going to be most important for you to learn, I believe, at this moment. It's through that holding back that the teacher's face shines, because that changes the focus from being about what the teacher wants to teach to about what will be helpful for the student to learn. May we all merit that. May we all use that little bit of extra ink on our pens to give our faces light. Shabbat Shalom.